Assalamu alaikum guys, कैसे हैं आप लोग? I hope you are all doing good. So today I am going to tell you how you can use generative fill to convert your HD quality images into oil paintings, into watercolor painting, or just like sketches. So here I have some example pictures, this picture, this picture, and also this picture. So we can try to change this picture from HD quality to the effect of oil paintings, watercolor, or sketches. So let's start from this picture. Normally if I want to apply the generative fill, I just select the image and apply here like watercolor. Let's see the result. This is not working here. So how you can apply the watercolor effect or oil painting effect here? So just simply select this image layer and quick mask, just apply with Q. If you press Q, so this layer turn into light red color transparency, and then select here gray color, then click OK and apply the gray color with Alt backspace. It selects all the grays in this picture. Then you can again press Q and go to generative fill and just type here oil painting. Now see the results. So here is the result. Here is the options, 3 options. You can select any one which you like. Here is the original image and here is the after image. So let's move on to the second picture. So here is the second image. I want it to convert in watercolor. Let's select this layer, press Q and apply the gray color, this gray color, OK, and Alt backspace. Now again press Q to white mask selection, then click generative fill and I want it to be oil painting. This is so nice. It shows sky just like a sky, oil painting, and this effect is very good. Eyes and trees and sky, it's nice. So let's move on to the third picture. Now if I want to convert this picture into pencil sketch like, so first of all I have to convert this picture into grayscale. Select the background layer and press Ctrl U for hue saturation, and I will do the saturation -100 to convert this picture into grayscale. I apply this grayscale with hue saturation. Now I will press Q again and apply the gray color from here, Alt backspace. Now again press Q to quiet the mask mode, then click on generative fill and write here pencil sketch, pencil sketch. Now see the result. So here is the first result, here is the second, and here is the third result. It seems good. This one is nice. Well, let's move on to the fourth picture. Now I want this picture convert into pencil sketch. So just select the background layer here and press Ctrl U and saturation -100 and hit OK. Then press Q for quick mask and Alt backspace to apply the gray color on this. Then again press Q, go to generative fill and write here pencil sketch, high quality. Let's see the result. So here are the results, the first, the second and the third. The second one seems good. So that's all. Subscribe my channel if you like my videos, if you like this tutorial. So I will tell you this kind of interesting tutorials, tips and tricks future. Thank you. Stay tuned.